Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, the weekend is here, TGIF. What are you gonna do, people? What do you got planned? I'm just trying to set you up for the weekend. Now we got one watch face that's gonna be dressy. We got another one that's gonna be super casual. They both are gonna be on point. So make sure you comment in the comment section down below because there may be a chance for you to win a free watch face. How about that? All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number one. Now, number one is called the suit, right? I like the name of this one. Don't let this watch fool you. It has a lot to offer. Now, in the AOD mode, it looks really nice. You got an analog look. Now, when the watch face is on, very unique, very different for a dress-up watch face, right? So I do like the hand, very stylish, does scream premium. You got a nice second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch, and you know what that means to me. Now, in your dials, you're gonna get your battery percentage, also floors, and your step information right in here. Now, what I like about this watch face, considering that it is a dress-up watch face, you don't get those unnecessary icons, right? Because you don't want that in a dress-up watch face. I tap down here at the bottom. I'm going to be able to get my weather. Now I tap over here where the 9 is. I can go into my text messages. Up at the top, I can tweak my watch and settings. And also over here, I can go into my calendar, set an event. That's it. That's all. So this isn't a bad look. The price is right, but it's a good look. So if I double tap in the middle, I can change the color theme of the watch face. Now that one's beautiful. I like that one. And you got several to choose from, and they're all nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. Now, if you're going to have a casual day, you're just chilling, you go into the store, you're coming back, you're lounging around, this would be the casual watch face to put on your wrist. Now, the name of the watch face is called Cricket Time, and in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a simple digital time, and once the watch face is on, you're gonna get a simple digital look, your date, and you're gonna get a PM stamp as well. Gonna get your heart rate information up at the top, and down at the bottom, it's gonna be all your step status info. A very simple watch face for a very simple day. All right, you all, that's gonna be at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget to comment, people. Don't forget to comment. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care and enjoy the weekend.